Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm here today to review Arizona Gunslinger Smoking Hot Microwave Popcorn. And this was kindly sent to me from my friend Tony Talant. And this is from the Arizona Pepper Product Company out of Mesa, Arizona. Is a hot popcorn. I microwaved it. And one thing I never seen before, this actually has a pepper inside. Let's go ahead and try this out. It's supposed to be spicy hot. It's part of the Super Bowl snacks video today. It's really good quality popcorn. I really like it. Let's try this hot pepper. Now I did it. It's smoking hot now. Holy crap. That's the first time I ever seen anyone put a pepper inside a bag of microwave popcorn. That's a different idea. It's incredibly hot. This is good quality microwave popcorn. I want to thank my friend Tony Talant for getting this to me, and this was like a special request. He asked if I could do a review of these. And I like them real well. I give you the full on 10 out of 10. It just really surprised me to see a pepper in there. I've never seen anyone else do that. I actually saw it when I opened it up. It was steaming. I saw a black thing in there. I thought I burned the popcorn. I was hoping I didn't. Nope. There's a pepper in there. And this makes a full... microwave for 5 minutes. It makes a full bag of popcorn. It was really good. That pepper really adds something to it. I don't know if there's any more peppers in here or not. And there's a seasoning in here too. It's pretty good. It's good, fresh tasting popcorn. I really like it. Well, thank you very much, Tony, my friend, for making this. Send this to me. I really appreciate it. And until next time, bye, please. Take care. My Legion. On this Super Bowl Sunday. And then my main cooking video is coming up at 7 o'clock. And enjoy the game, everybody. Take care.